My name is Robert Abbel. My background is organic chemistry, and I work at Hall Center for about 7 years now. Since that time, I'm more into material science. I started in the research group of printing functional structures on flexible substrates. That's also how I got involved with the LTM project. And since about half a year, I'm now working in the OLED research group, which of course also very nice connects to the LTM activities. So within the LTM project, we work on a number of integration issues which work or concern also OLEDs. And the OLEDs that are typically made at the moment are flexible. So you see this here. This is an OLED, and I now connect it, and it's flexible in one direction, so that's no problem. But at the moment that you want to do twisting with it, so bending in more than one direction or even stretching, it's getting really difficult. And if you look, for example, at the prototype from Lamp Industries, the Physio Friend, then this is exactly the type of motion this device needs to undergo. And if you do that with an OLED, the OLED will not survive very long. So one solution that we proposed is to make individual OLEDs that are relatively small, and we connect them together by a substrate that contains electrical wiring that is actually flexible. And this is an input that we specifically got from the LTM project, not only from James Lamp's device, but also for others. And I have an example here. So this is a typical substrate which can do these kind of movements. It can also be stretched to some degree. And if I now measure the resistance here, then I can connect, for example, this one. You will see that there is some resistance, and if I now start stretching, it does change a bit, but it does not break. And this is something that you can't do with an OLED, and the idea here is really to print not such a test structure, but actually this design with printed silver ink, so the lines are the silver ink, and then connect the OLEDs, bind the OLEDs on top of that, so that actually the whole thing is stretchable, but the stresses are actually located in the stretchable part, and the OLEDs only need to go bending in one direction. And as I said, this is now a particular example from the Physio Friend by Lamp Industries, but this is also a technology that will be used in other prototypes from the LTM consortium.